In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a story in Jira using the global create menu. If you've ever tried to log a new requirement or add a feature request in Jira and felt slowed down by confusing board views or hidden creation options, this walkthrough will help simplify the process. We're going to use Jira's global create option so you can add a story cleanly and make sure it lands in the right place with the right details. To begin, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira Cloud site. You can access your organization's Atlassian workspace through your Jira URL or through the Atlassian sign-in page, then log in with your account. Once you're signed in and the main dashboard has loaded, look up to the top navigation bar. From there, find the blue Create button near the top of the screen and click it once. This opens Jira's issue creation window, which is where you'll enter all the key details for your new story. Using this global creation window is helpful because it lets you create issues from almost anywhere in Jira without having to navigate through a specific board first. Next, go to the project field and select the project where this story belongs. This is important because the available issue types and fields can vary by project. After that, find the issue type dropdown and choose story. Selecting the correct issue type ensures your new item is categorized properly in the backlog and aligned with your team's workflow. Now move to the summary field. This is the title of your story, so keep it concise, clear, and descriptive. A strong summary makes the issue easier to scan in sprint boards and backlogs. Try to keep it specific and easy to understand at a glance. Then scroll to the description field and enter the user story in a standard agile format. As a user type, I want to perform an action so that I can achieve a specific benefit. This structure gives the request clear business context and helps everyone understand the purpose behind the work. Below that, add your acceptance criteria in a clear, readable format so developers and stakeholders know exactly what success looks like. Before you submit, review any remaining fields such as priority, components, assignee, or sprint if those are relevant for your team. These extra details help route the work correctly and make planning much easier later. Finally, go to the bottom right corner of the window and click Create. Jira will save the new story and add it to your project so it can be tracked in the backlog. That's it. You now know how to create a story in Jira quickly and accurately using the global Create menu. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.